Hello my good friends, welcome back to Pinch's class, and I'm back with another sound. Today I have sound L. Sound L. Sound L. Now sound L comes from letter L. Do you know letter L? Yes, it comes from letter L. So let's look at the blends. We have la, lay, lo, le, li, lie, lo, la, and lu. Yes. Now let's look at the words. Let's form some words using these blends. Remember, some sounds are silent in some words. So let's look at the first word, leg. 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 A leg. Do you have a leg? Yes, you do. Then the next one is li. Then that sound is silent. Then f. Leaf. A leaf. Then the next one, lorry. 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 A lorry. Then we have the next one, lamp. Lamp, a lamp, which gives us light. Then we have the next one, lake, and the last sound is silent, so it's read as lake, a lake. And the last word, lemon. Lemon, a lemon. Okay, let's go to the sentences. A lamp gives us light. A lamp gives us light. Then the next one, this is a leaf. This is a leaf. And the last one, there is one bag of lemons on the lorry. There is one bag of lemons on the lorry. Yes. And that's it, my friends. I hope to see you in our next video, and for now we're saying bye bye.